何？お前はもう死ん
Do you want to get huge pixel cats every single time? If so, follow the steps in this video. As you can see, I've been getting huge pixel cats basically every single time. You may be wondering, how do you do this? Well, firstly, you have to go to the pixel shop, and to get a lot of these pixel cats, you need to open up these eggs. So the first step to get them basically guaranteed is you have to go all the way over here to a special spot. Okay, now that you're here, you must open up the exclusive shop and go all the way to the super lucky potions and the ultra lucky potions. Over here, you have to equip 10 of these. And don't forget the ultra lucky potions. Now that you've got 2-hour and 5-hour effects, go all the way back to the egg. And while these super lucky potions and ultra lucky potions are on, you have to open up this egg before they run out. Buy 3 of them, and it should, if I'm not wrong, work. There we go. That is how you get a huge pixel cat basically every single time.